top. For our other flour, we're gonna do dice. So we cut our halibut into dice. Like I've said before on some videos, when you cut halibut that's gonna be diced small, try and cut it with a very good knife and a bit frozen. Now we're gonna add some of Chef Pachi's spice, and otherwise you can use some Old Bay seasoning, and there we have a little bit of thyme that fell off, and some pistachio oil. So we have two different recipes in one video with two amazing ways of making crispy and delicious halibut. Now these are going to be baked in my oven, which is a convection oven. So we do the same thing. We grease our pan so that they don't stick onto it, and we're gonna add the corn flour. The other one, remember, we use masa flour, which is a pre-cooked corn flour. And this one is just regular corn flour. It looks a little more yellow. Both work perfectly. So whichever you have at home, you can use. Super healthy, they're easy to make, super healthy, and filled with flavor. Place them in your oven at 425 for about 7 to 8 minutes, and that's it. You're gonna have a beautiful crispy dice of halibut that your kids are gonna love. Even guests, if you have guests, this is just one 6-ounce fillet of halibut. Imagine all the little bites you can have from one fillet and how beautiful it looks. Now we're gonna do other of the dice with a masa flour, and this masa flour is perfect too with the small dice. Masa flour is pre-cooked corn flour, and look how beautiful it goes. Again, same temperature, 390 degrees on your air fryer for 6 minutes, 5 minutes actually for the smaller pieces. It's perfect. Beautiful, crispy, and delicious, made in minutes. You're gonna love these. Try them anytime, any day. Serve them as bites or serve them with a salad as dinner like we just did. Delicious food, amazing mood. Enjoy! Chef Pachi.